Hi, my name is Cindy and I am participating in Tablescape Tuesday. Hit that subscribe button and check out my channel. Get comfortable and watch the transformation. This Valentine tablescape is done in red, white, and silver. Of course, you always start out with a clean table. I found a silver table runner. I think it was from Pier 1 some time ago, and I placed it on the table. I used white chargers from Hobby Lobby and put heart window clings in the middle. And it just shows you the versatility of those window clings. But to show off the hearts, I placed clear dinnerware on top, and these were gifted to me. A roped silver knife, fork, and spoon graced the sides of the table, and these were from TJ Maxx. And I added a heart-shaped napkin ring that I made with a wooden heart. I put glitter on it, book rings in the back, and hot glued it on. And I don't think I filmed this, but they turned out nicely and looked glamorous on the red napkin, which I think I got those maybe from Amazon. I put a heart paper doily from Target and set a red ceramic heart on top. And a note can be written on the heart to yours truly. And then your guests can take the little red heart home with them. Now for the crowning jewel. I set a candelabra in the middle of the table that I got from TJ Maxx several years ago. I put some off-white candles in each of the areas, which is a total of about 5 candles. In addition, I placed heart bowls on 2 sides of the candelabra, and a velvet pillow from the Urban Garage is placed in each bowl. I made some coasters that were vintage inspired, and you can check out that video also. And I used those to set the thrifted crystal glasses on top. This tablescape is easy, beautiful, and simple. And let me know what you think and what you would try. This Tablescape Tuesdays is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So check her out and subscribe, like, save, and comment on her channel. There may be others who are hosting, and there are several who are co-hosting. If you have liked what you've seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment. And help me reach my goal of 1,500. When I get there, a prize will be awarded to someone who is a subscriber and comments on that video that reaches that number. Also, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And thanks for watching. I appreciate all of your comments and love you all. And remember, the pain of parting is nothing to the joy of meeting again. This is by Charles Dickens. So I'll see you later. Bye-bye.